Gardeners often use the term mulching. It's no more than a surface layer of organic material. And we mulch for several reasons. If you cover the surface soil in the summer with well-rotted compost, it helps to retain moisture. Also, as the worms take it down, it can improve the quality of the soil, the structure, and of course the nutrient in due course. And the additional value is in weed control. I mean, here for example, on this bed of tulips, there's a few seedling weeds just starting to come through. And if we try and hoe those in about 4 or 6 weeks' time, the leaves and the stems of tulips are quite brittle. We could very easily snap them off. And so I like to just ease the soil a little bit. That'll take some of those weeds out. And then I've got a new mulch material which is made from cocoa fibre, and if that's just spread over the surface, it will smother the weeds and give low maintenance gardening, certainly through until next May. If I'm mulching under shrubs and really want low maintenance gardening, then you can use a much coarser chipped bark as a mulch material. And it's worth putting a weed suppressing membrane down first. This will let the water through, but also keeps the mulch separate from the soil. Because if these two, the wood chips and the soil, get together, then the wood chips absorb nitrogen and it starves the plants. And by keeping the two separate, it looks reasonable, and it will last a very long time, giving you at least 2 or 3 years weed-free maintenance around the base of a tree, under shrubs, even roses. So there we are. We mulch for several reasons: to control weeds, to retain moisture, and to improve the soil.